to help and indeed support our youth to realize their full potential. And under this banner, our interest is particularly in you, the young women of Ghana, and also our persons with disability. Happy started about a year ago. We are working with 8 other partners, government institutions, private sector, civil society organizations, and the program is being implemented the world over, in all over Ghana. We are already in 13 regions, 50 districts, and 238 communities. And so as I stand here to tell you why we gathered here to celebrate and mark this day, first I want to say a big thank you and congratulations to all the happy participants, and also to say that we recognize your contribution and we look forward to working with you to indeed transform the agribusiness sector in Ghana. And to date, we have worked with over 77,000 young women across the length and breadth of this country. And we are working with them on 4 value chains: rice, soya, poultry, and tomatoes. And along the value chain, from production to market, we are supporting them to realize their full potential. And therefore, to our students who are yet in school, we want to tell you that there's enormous opportunity in the agribusiness sector. There's so much you can do for yourself, for your home and your community. And so as you leave school, we want to entreat you to consider agribusiness and agri as a career path and a career opportunity. You can contact us at our offices online to learn more about the Happy program and to see where your expertise and skills, and even if you don't have, we take people who have very little expertise and train them. And as we go along, you will hear from some of our participants who have come in with very little experience and exposure, but then have been trained and now have risen up to supervisory roles and are doing well for themselves. So as we meet here, we are here to, 1, celebrate our young women, to say thank you for all the hard work that you did so far. A year in, we have people who came in and had nothing at all, but have over the 1 year been able to produce more than 5 acres of rice. Some came in as cleaners and now supervisors. They are data managers, and they are pushing their companies forward and enhancing their profitability. And so we want to say that we are very grateful and we are mindful of your contributions to the development of agribusiness in this nation. And we want to set this day aside to celebrate your contribution. And as we do that, we are also calling on all stakeholders. I'm very happy to see our pain mothers here, because most of the time in the community we need their support to also enable our young women to take advantage of the opportunities that are presented. We have their buy-in, we have their support. The work is much easier. Sometimes you need to let them come and take advantage of the opportunities that are presented. And it doesn't really matter their qualification. Happy is a program that is for everybody. So whether they've been to school, they've not been to school, they are still in school, even out of school during the vacation, they can still come and learn a thing or two that will be beneficial after they finish school. So I'm very happy to see you here, and my request of you is that anytime anybody comes into your community and has a developmental message for you, please welcome them with open arms, and also allow your young girls particularly to take advantage of this opportunity. Because now many programs are focusing on supporting our young people, and so you should find opportunity also at your door to allow them to be trained, to be guided, and so that they can become successful entrepreneurs and also workers and employers further down the line. So thank you so much for coming.